So the next point is what kind of applications that we can develop using Java. We can develop different kinds of applications like desktop applications or internet based applications or the mobile based applications. So the examples for desktop applications are the antivirus or the Adobe Reader or maybe the Adobe Photoshop. So these are all the desktop applications that you can install in your desktop and you can run it. So the examples for the internet-based applications, also called as web applications. So nowadays, whatever the internet sites or websites that you are seeing, like the bank applications, in the sense banks are the internet banking or the ticket booking systems like IRCTC or Book My Show. So all these kinds of applications comes under the web applications. So those can be developed using Java. And also the last type is the mobile applications. While coming to the mobile based applications, so nowadays you are seeing a lot of apps in your smartphones, right? So majority of them you download it from Play Store or Google Market or from somewhere else. So some at least few of those applications are developed using Java or at least using Java based technologies. And also the operating systems which are running in your smartphones is like the Android or iOS, so like or Windows. So like that there are some devices, some smartphones which are running based on Java based operating systems. So these are all the applications that we can develop using Java. So as I mentioned, the web applications or desktop applications or mobile based applications. About the introduction of Java, now let's move on to the real concepts in Java.